In this video, I'm going to show you how to make crazy letters with regular letters inside Canva. So we're going to go to the Apps tab over on the left side, go to AI Powered, and I'm going to look at this magic morph. I'm going to use it in an existing design, and let's see what we have. I'm going to go ahead and pull this poster up right here. So when we click on the letters, you can describe the look you want, and then down below there are lots of other examples. Party balloons, jewels, that one's really cool, so I'm going to do this one. I know this poster's pretty busy, it's got a lot going on. Let's shrink this down so we can highlight what the words are going to look like. Okay, now some of the letters have populated. We're going to drag these over, click those into our design, and let's see what it looks like. That's some pretty cool bejeweled lemonade letters. Let's check out this one right here and see the difference. That one came with yellow and red. And we're going to try out another couple designs too. Let's try out the party balloons and just see what those look like. And we can check this out. This made like really cool balloon letters. And there are lots of different things you can do with the magic morph. So the prompt here, I said make lemonade out of pickles. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, that just made green bubble letters. So it's pickle-like, but it's not really pickles. That's just a simple example of some playful and fun letter design amp ups you can do with Canva.